In this aid, we will voice our sort of own and market's perspective on STORJ future while examining STORJ cost figure for 2022 and past in a really significant manner. Kindly explicitly remember that you ought to truly think about this and any really other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, in a real sense, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like STORJ, or so they basically thought. Presently, we should head into it in a significant manner. Before we dive profound into the STORJ value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that STORJ is a genuinely wise venture or not, for what reason will STORJ succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will STORJ value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is STORJ and its to-date history, which is genuinely critical. STORJ price prediction for the next 90 days. The entire crypto world truly is on an edge of an undeniable by and large bear market. Incredibly, Bitcoin has in a real sense drooped half from its unequaled high in the midst of the more extensive market, for the most part drops affected by seething expansion and U.S. Fed rate increments. Financial backers explicitly are selling hazardous resources and moving into substantially more steady business sectors. Crypto basically is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe fundamentally play, and subsequently the auction. Incredibly, our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the by and large second piece of the year. This is really reflected in our 2022 forecasts in an unpretentious way. At the present time, Bitcoin fundamentally needs to sort of find that truly neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course, or so they explicitly thought. When Bitcoin gets comfortable with the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history in an unpretentious manner. Our cost expectation model in every practical sense is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 in an unpretentious manner. We expect whales and other kind of greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike in an extremely significant manner. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and crucial evaluation of each task in an unobtrusive manner. Essentials that we fundamentally assess in every practical sense are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few extremely other really restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. STORJ price prediction 2022. Most of specialists basically concur that this really bear market will endure at sort of the least for the primary quarter of 2022. Preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds appropriately, or so they generally thought. Underneath in a real sense is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 22.03%, $0.4319. 2022 November minus 37.00%, $0.3489. 2022 December minus 18.21%, $0.4530. 2023 Jan minus 9.94%, $0.4988. Amazingly, 2023 February minus 3.00%, $0.5372, or so they especially thought. 2023 Mar plus 9.77%, $0.6080, or so they explicitly thought. 2023 April plus 13.49%, $0.6286, which is genuinely critical. 2023 May plus 20.70%, $0.6685. 2023 June plus 23.96%, $0.6866, or so they thought. 2023 July plus 41.42%, $0.7833. Incredibly, 2023 August plus 36.72%, $0.7572. 2023 September plus 53.00%, $0.8474. STORJ price prediction 2025, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Our forecast model sees STORJ coming to $1.43 in 2025, which is genuinely huge. What will STORJ be somewhat worth in 5 years? The cost of STORJ in 5 years could lie around $1.30. STORJ price prediction 2030 to 2040, in spite of prevalent thinking. What STORJ will be somewhat worth in 2030, which is genuinely critical. Our determining model sees STORJ coming to $3.57 in 2030 in a significant manner. What STORJ will commonly be worth in 2040, which is very critical. Our determining model sees STORJ coming to $7.13 in 2040 amazingly. Will STORJ supplant, explicitly outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, STORJ won't swap or in every way that really matters, surpass BTC, or so they sort of thought. Might STORJ at any point reach $10, or so they thought. Indeed, STORJ could reach $10 toward the finish of 2025. Might STORJ at any point basically reach $1,000, or so they thought. No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for STORJ to reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period. Is STORJ essentially worth purchasing? We certainly are backers of decently dangerous financial planning. Basically put a majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a bin of in every way that really matters, enormous cap coins and the rest in little ventures with colossal potential gain, which basically is very huge. Thus, in this unique situation, STORJ merits purchasing. Is STORJ a generally excellent venture? STORJ is, very much like all especially other digital forms of money, a dangerous venture. It has certainly higher likelihood of going up than down due to the kind of good use case, very much planned tokenomics, exceptionally dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. How kind of much will STORJ fundamentally be worth, which certainly is genuinely critical. For the momentary future, it could in a real sense reach $0.3489. In the genuinely long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $3.57 or even kind of higher. For what reason will STORJ succeed and most certainly get more expensive? STORJ, all things considered, has in every practical sense, great use case, very much planned tokenomics, really dynamic local area and a truly strong group behind it. These by and large are an essential for progress, and that truly is the reason our expectation model sees STORJ ascending to $3.57 in 2030, which is very huge. For what reason will STORJ fall flat and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle in light of multiple factors in an unobtrusive way.